السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. حبايب قلبي عاملين ايه؟ يا رب تكونوا بخير. معاكم الزينب احمد، ويلا بينا كده على قناتكم ايزي ساينس نشتغل مع بعض شوية كده ونعرف شوية معلومات خفيفة. يلا بينا. We will talk about force. What is force? We will know about forces and define force. Describe forces can do to objects and describe the two main categories of forces. Let's go. The force is a push or pull in a particular direction. It results from an object's interaction with another object. Hey, force is a push or pull. Push or pull. Pulling is the force you exert to move something closer to you. When you pull a block, it moves towards you. Then, the pulling force, it moves the object towards you. The opposite of pulling is pushing. Pushing is the force you exert to move something away from you. When you push a block, it moves away from you. This force moves the object away from you. Question: what can force do? What can force do? Force can make the object move, such as an ice hockey player use a force to move hockey puck, such as the man in this picture. Also, force can change the direction of moving object. Look at this ball. A volleyball player uses a force to move the ball in a different direction. A force can make moving object to speed up, to increase its speed, such as the boy or a cyclist uses a bigger force to pedal her bicycle and increase its speed. Also, a force can stop a moving object, such as a baseball player uses force to catch the ball and stop it from moving. The moving ball will stop by the force. And a force can change the property of a material. A baker uses a force to change the shape and consistency of his mixture. When mixing a material by mixture, change its shape and its property of this material. Question 2. What are the two main categories of forces? There is two categories of forces, main categories of forces. Let's go. The two categories of forces, there are two main categories of forces: contact forces and non-contact forces. Contact forces and non-contact forces. Contact forces result from the two objects touching each other, such as your hand or gripping your hands. Examples of the contact forces, such as dribbling a basketball, kicking a soccer ball, hitting a shuttlecock. The non-contact forces act on an object without coming into contact with the other object. No touch with these objects, such as gravitational forces, magnetic force, and electrostatic force. We will describe it. The magnetic force is a force that attracts or repels magnetic objects. It is the pull or push exerted by a magnet. Magnetic force that attracts and repels magnetic objects. The third of non-contact forces such as gravitational force. Gravitational force is the force by which an object attracts another object. The force non-static or non-contact forces is electrostatic force. Electrostatic force is the force that exists between electrically charged particles, positive charge and negative particle charge. Finally, check for understanding. What is force? What can force do? What are examples of the two main categories of forces? Please write the answer of these questions in the comment. Finally, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and tell your friends about us. Bye bye.